Good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Adam here at Kenyon Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This morning I am going to do a walk around and startup video for you on this beautiful 1957 Chevrolet Bel Air convertible. Now, this car is a very, very nice, clean, quality car. I bought this car from a friend of mine, and his dad owned several 57 Chevrolets that he fixed up over his lifetime, this being one of them. Now, this car was rotisserie restored back in the 90s, and it still shows very well today. Yes, it has some imperfections in the paint that I'll point out to you, but this is a gorgeous, gorgeous 57 Chevrolet 283 power pack, original automatic transmission. This car is a factory power steering car, Continental kit on the back. Convertible top is very, very nice shape as well. It's got Ride Tech suspension front and back. Sitting on a set of Foose wheels right now. This car has been all over the Midwest. He's driven this car to Good Guys in Des Moines, all local car shows. It's won hundreds of trophies. It's just a great, great car. I was trying to convince him not to sell this car, but he said it's time to move on. So I ended up buying the car from him, and here we are. The stainless chrome trim and bright work on this car is in very good shape. The glass in the car looks very nice. Now, when I say has some imperfections in it, now you can see it's got some checking here in the paint. You can see that it's got some on the hood, it's got some on the fenders. I mean, it's got some on, the sides too. It's not a perfect car, but it is very, very nice car. Red epoxy primered floors. There is pictures of the floors of the undercarriage of this car on my website. Very nice, clean, solid car too. There's no bubbles, no blisters on the bottom of the car, bottom of the quarters, around the wheel wells. And this car, like I say, everybody, this car has been done for a long time. Dual antennas, as you can see. This car's been done since, early to mid 90s. So I'd say it still looks excellent. The chrome on the front of the car looks very, very nice. I mean, this car is not gonna be 150 grand. I'm gonna price this car at $89,900. Very, very nice interior. Red and silver factory colored interior. Just such a nice car. The jams are very nice. Been sitting in there all night. Starts right up. Left turn, right turn. I think the horn works. Blower motor. There's some extra keys in here. In fact, I'm going to use them. I'll show you the trunk. Power top. Trying to find the correct key here. There we go. They put the Ride Tech on it, and the original springs are right here. Some other parts here for it too. Super nice, clean, solid car. Your jack spare tire, obviously your spare tire is right there in the back. Got a jack inside there. These cars, they've been bringing anywhere from $100 to $200,000, and you know, if I wanted to mess with this car a little bit, and this could be a $200,000 car as well. One of my buddies popped in here for a second. He didn't probably realize I was doing a video, but Kenyon Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. Check us out on our website, www.kenyonauto.com, KINION-auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars, muscle cars, and regular inventory every day. So if you're interested in buying this beautiful 57 Chevrolet convertible, give us a call. Or maybe one of the other collector cars that we have in stock. If you are interested in selling a classic car, give us a call. We would probably be interested in purchasing your car. Man, what an iconic classic car. 57 Chevrolet convertible. It comes in black. I really appreciate everyone watching all my videos. I hope you guys all have a great afternoon, great day, great afternoon. Somebody is going to buy this car right away. This car will not last. $89,900, this car will be gone. Thanks, everybody.